Hi feather friends! Today, I'm making yummy food for my tiny baby bird. I'm using Cerelac rice and soy flavor. 1 scoop goes into the bowl. Then I slowly add hot water. Mix, mix, mix. Next, I check the temperature. Not too hot and not too cold, like a warm hug. And now, it's feeding time. I gently feed my baby bird using the syringe. Slowly, carefully, because she's so tiny. And Tata, she's full and happy. See you again on our next party feeding time. If you want to watch Mochi grow day by day, don't forget to like and subscribe.